Imagine you're on a budget with your partner. You're both trying to save money, but it feels like you're constantly arguing about expenses. Wouldn't it be great if there was a way to track your finances together without the drama? Well, today, we're going to explore whether PocketGuard can be a solution for couples. Can two people share PocketGuard? The short answer is yes, you can share PocketGuard with your partner. But before you dive in, let's discuss the pros and cons. Pros. Shared visibility. You can both see each other's income, expenses, and savings goals. This transparency can help you make informed financial decisions together. Better communication. Sharing PocketGuard can open up conversations about money, which can be a sensitive topic for many couples. By discussing your finances openly, you can avoid misunderstandings and build trust. Joint budgeting. You can create a shared budget and track your progress together. This can help you stay on top of your finances and achieve your financial goals as a couple. Easy collaboration. PocketGuard offers features that make it easy for couples to collaborate on their finances. For example, you can add each other as joint account holders and set up shared categories. Cons. Privacy concerns. If you're not comfortable sharing all of your financial details with your partner, PocketGuard might not be the best option. Potential for conflict. Sharing finances can sometimes lead to disagreements, especially if you have different spending habits or financial goals. Technical challenges. If you're not tech savvy, you might find it difficult to set up and use PocketGuard. Tips for sharing PocketGuard as a couple. Set ground rules. Before you start using PocketGuard, have a conversation about your expectations and boundaries. Discuss what information you're comfortable sharing and how you'll handle disagreements. Be open and honest. Communication is key when sharing finances. Be honest about your spending habits and financial goals, and be willing to listen to your partner's perspective. Celebrate successes. As you work together to improve your finances, take time to celebrate your successes. This can help you stay motivated and avoid burnout. Sharing PocketGuard with your partner can be a great way to improve your financial relationship. However, it's important to weigh the pros and cons and consider your individual needs and preferences. If you're ready to give it a try, remember to set ground rules, communicate openly, and celebrate your successes. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Until next time, happy budgeting.